In this video, you will learn the 5 common mistakes ruining your credit score. Avoiding these common mistakes will literally help you save thousands of dollars every year by avoiding paying ridiculously high interest rates. Here are the 5 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, late payments. Paying late is a huge factor in your credit score. Experts estimate that 35% of your credit score is determined by your payment history. Any late payments will lower your score. Mistake number 2, maxing out credit cards. Carrying a big balance on your credit cards will hurt your credit score. While having a lot of debt is never a good idea, using more than 30% of the available credit on your credit cards hurts your credit score. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000, your score drops if your balance is over $3,000. This is commonly referred to as the utilization ratio. Keep yours under 30%. Mistake number 3, closing credit cards. Closing credit cards is a credit score killer. This is related to your utilization ratio. By closing a credit card, you lower the amount of credit that's available to you. Your credit score is also sensitive to the length of your credit history. Mistake number 4, applying for too much credit. Everyone needs to have some credit, but applying for too much has a negative effect on your score. Each time you apply for more credit, your potential lender makes an inquiry of your credit history. Each of those inquiries lowers your credit score. Avoid sending in every credit card offer that shows up in your mailbox. Mistake number 5, defaulting on loans. Defaulting is an obvious credit score mistake. When you fail to pay back a loan you owe to a lender, you can lose as much as 100 points from your credit score. Make every effort to pay back your loans. If you're struggling, contact the lender and attempt to make other arrangements. They can be very flexible if failing to do so means not getting their payments. If you already have a negative remark on your credit report, don't just pay off the debt. Make sure you negotiate for the negative remark to be removed from your credit report as well. By simply avoiding these common mistakes, you can't help but have a great score that will guarantee you the lowest interest rates, even if your credit score is poor now. It may take time to boost your credit score, but it's definitely possible. Is your credit score being negatively affected by any of those mistakes? If yes, the good news is, you can easily remove some of those negative items from your credit report and watch your credit score jump. To learn how to quickly repair your credit, we created a free checklist that will walk you through the whole process. The checklist reveals secrets that credit repair experts charge a lot of money to do for you. Go to CreditRepairBase.com to claim your free powerful credit boosting checklist or click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.